Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Ka arfui tere kadai kasngi karpang jengki nong trei babu sahem ki batip kum ki Indian Administrative Service ni IAS. Katai ka jeng rakhi la pelong Hapainwood Hotel Shillong bat kaphang pedeng katai ka jeng ye kendu ka National Service Day menta usnem kadai ka viskin Bharat ka bathmu ban penkup bori ki nong shongshnong bat ban poi she umau mer bakhadu. Na kaliang Chief Secretary ka jylla ba DP walang ulo ong bahagi ni kisnem balalet nyo ka kam civil services kala sya kentho bha bar kala dei ka por ban phai din bat yai bishar balai bagane ka kadan kala tho bria bat balai ba ka jingmut jeng ka civil service kala sya abu udak jingkli na ka por sya ka por Chief Secretary ula krendu halor ka jingya dei haprengki officer bagi pait ba bat ru haprengki officer bagi myntri sorkar Ni donbok palat banyo trei ha ka jylla kum ka meghalaya namar ki myntri sorkar hangni ki kham pher na ki wei ki jylla ka ri. Ha ka babun sin yo ye ka jing yeshirot hapreng ki myntri sorkar bar ki officer ula binram.
Now, if you look at the theme of Vikshit Bharat, it is a very relevant theme in this year's civil service function. And I'm sure that all of us, it resonates very well with many of us. We are all aware of the fact that we are very, very lucky to work in a state like Meghalaya. We are lucky because the political executive over here, they are totally different from the rest of the country. We have a chief minister who's very friendly with the bureaucrats, who's very helpful all the time. At the same time, it's like an iron fist in a velvet glove. We are lucky because more than anything, he has his heart in the right place. That is why we are all very fortunate to be working in this environment where we have seldom come across and seldom seen any conflict between the political executive and the bureaucracy.